Alright, so we've got our mockup ready. Now what do we do with it? Well, we go to our page, and this is why we're doing a generic page first, because we haven't launched anything on GearBubble. We haven't created a Facebook ad campaign yet. We haven't really done anything. We're still in the test phase. So here's a phrase I want you to get used to typing. Would you wear this? Post yes in the comments below if you would. That's it. Now what? Well, what are they going to wear? What can we show them? I know. Let's show them our image, which is right here. So here's the mock-up for the police. Let's double click that baby. And it'll take a second to upload to Facebook. That's it. That's our post on our page. I love necklaces. Hey people who love necklaces, would you wear this? Post yes in the comments below if you would. That's it. That's all there is to it. That's all we're posting. There's no link to buy it. There's no anything. At this stage, we're assuming we don't know if this is going to work or not. So we need to run a test. So the first step of running the test is asking people if they'll buy it. Now, there's nobody on this page. So we have to actually get people, preferably police moms, to this to say, yeah, I would, sure I would, yeah, I would, sure I would. Where can I buy it? When we see stuff like that, then we know, you know what, time to take this puppy to launch phase and get it out there. So let us go into the next video and show you how to get some people actually commenting on this. We had very simple tests that we're going to do. We're not going to blow through a gigantic budget to do so either.